My dear viewers, our topic is this today. We cover 4 easy ways how acid-free silk paper can you help to preserve your Barbie collection. I'm Barbie from Germany and welcome to my channel. So the first thing I would like to tell you about acid-free silk paper is that it is used for conservation. Conservation not only for example wall gowns that are at least 100 years old or older, but also for the preservation of books. We often see these in the archives wearing white gloves, not to harm the book, and then it's often preserved in these acid-free silk papers. But what does it have to do with your collection? Now, let's come to our first way, how you can use acid-free silk paper for your Barbie collection. And my first way to use the acid-free silk paper in your preservation of your collection is that you store the clothes in acid-free silk paper. So for my way number 2, I need a little bit of my acid-free silk paper, and we make a model out of the thing we want to cover. You know, this is plastic and I don't want the plastic to get in touch with my doll because she can get discolorations. I don't know if you can see it, but she has slight discolorations on her body because of the plastic, and I want to avoid it in the future. So what we can do is we can make a pattern. You know, it's never the worst thing when you know how to do patterns. So we simply copy what we have here. Under our sheet of silk-free acid paper. So it does not work the full length here for me, so I have to stop there. And start again here for the second hanger. And then I can cut the things out. I'm going to be back in a sec for this. So that's just for a reason of demonstration. I made myself this little pattern, and this is a copy of our pink part, or pink plastic part, and then you would attach it to the doll. Keep in mind that you don't want any straps of glue to the side of your doll, because the glue could also have an impact on the doll body, so we don't want this. So simply put the glue on the outside, or gluing strip on the outside of the acid-free sick paper so that you can avoid any contact with the glue to the doll. And then we put our top back on, and then she would be protected with the help of our acid-free sick paper, and you won't have any further discolorations on her body. For the next way, I need a little piece of acid-free sick paper. So you fold this, and we can attach it here to the top part of our doll stand. Why do I do this? Because these parts can also have an impact on the doll body when you attach the stand close to the body and there is nothing in between it, so it can cause discolorations. It could also cause some melting traces. That's why it is recommended that you also cover your doll stand top with acid-free sick paper to avoid that the doll stand can harm your Barbie doll or your Skipper doll or anyone from the Barbie family. In general, this could happen to all dolls. It's not just Barbie, it could happen to all dolls. So, that's my way number 3. And the last way I would like to show you is similar to the first way that I showed you. We put the silk paper, the acid-free silk paper between our clothes, and now you can not only do this for clothes if you don't want to display them, you can also do this with dolls. For example, when you move and you have to put them in boxes, so to avoid that anything could happen to your doll or harm your doll, this is a very easy way to protect your doll when you move and you want it to be stored really well. So you can also use acid-free silk paper for this purpose of storing your doll in acid-free silk paper, and nothing will happen. My dear viewers, I hope you have learned something in this video. You share, like and subscribe to my channel. You recommend me to your collector friends for this nice video. Question of the day is: have you ever heard before of acid-free silk paper for the purpose of using it for Barbie preservation? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious about your comments. So I hope you like my little video. You come back to the next video. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!